Find the largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8. Here the question is to find out the largest number. Okay, and what is given? When you divide 70 by the largest number, you will get remainder equal to 5. Also, if you divide 125 by the largest number, then you will get remainder equal to 8. So first we can write it as, let x be the largest number. As per the question, x divides 70 leaving remainder 5 and x divides 125 leaving remainder 8, right? Now consider the first part. X divides 70 leaving remainder 5. That is 70 by x, right? When you divide 70 divided by x, then you will get remainder equal to 5. Okay. Similarly here 125 by x, right? That is 125 divided by x. Then you will get remainder equal to 8. Okay. Here remainder is equal to 5. What does this mean? 70 is not divisible by x. Okay. Similarly, here also remainder is not equal to 0, which implies 125 is not divisible by x. Or we can say that x is not a factor of 70. Also, x is not a factor of 125. Okay. Next, consider an example. Divide 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Okay. That is 10 divided by 3. 3 times 3 into 3, 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Here also remainder is not equal to 0. So here we can say that 10 is not divisible by 3, or 3 is not a factor of 10. Here we got remainder equal to 1, right? Now subtract this remainder from the dividend. Here dividend is 10. 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus remainder, okay? That is equal to 9. Okay. Now if you divide 9 by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3 into 3, sorry, 9, 9 minus 9, 0, remainder equal to 0. That is 9 is divisible by 3, or 3 is a factor of 9, right? So in the same way, subtract this remainder from the dividend. That is 70 minus 5 equal to 65. Now we can say that x is a factor of 65, right? X is a factor of 65. Similarly, subtract this remainder from the dividend. That is 125 minus 8 equal to 170. Okay. So you can say that x is a factor of 170. So in general you can say that x is a factor of 65 and 170. Next, our aim is to find out the value of x. Here we know that x is a factor of 65 and 170. Okay, so next step, write down the prime factors of 65 and 170. 65 equal to 5 into 30 and 117 equal to 3 into 3, that is 3 square, into 30. Here we proved that x is a factor of 65 and 117, means x is a common factor of 65 and 117. Okay. And here the question is to find out the largest number, right? And we proved a number is the common factor of 65 and 117. So largest common factor of 65 and 117 means HCF, highest common factor of 65 and 117. Now we know that HCF is the product of the smallest power of the common factor. Here common factor is 30 and power 1. So number x is 30. Now we can check it, okay. It is given that the largest number which divides 70 and 125. So 70 divided by, here x is 13. 13, 5, 65 minus 70 minus 65, 5. Okay. Similarly 125. 125 divided by 13, 9, 117, 15 minus 7, 8. Okay. So when you divide 70 by 13, here remainder we got it as 5. And 125 by 13, remainder as 8. Leaving remainder 5 and 8.